As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills. The first one, ASINB 07JZV24HV. Looks like a pretty standard backyard grill.
Ah, yeah, the Performance Series Convective 4-burner. I see it. And what's the other one?
It's ASINB 0D2 VN5D1Q, the one-burner portable propane gas grill. Quite a difference, right?
Definitely. Okay, so right off the bat, the 4-burner has way more cooking space. 475 square inches compared to just 240 on the portable one.
Exactly. And it's got 36,000 BTUs of cooking power versus the portable's 9,500. I could cook a asterisk lot more burgers at once on the bigger one.
True, but think about portability. The small one is, portable. It even comes with 2 refillable 1-pound propane tanks. The big one needs a whole 20-pound tank, which you have to buy separately.
That's a good point. And the smaller one is way lighter, only a pound. The larger one is a hefty 85 pounds. I'm not lugging that to a tailgate party.
Haha, no way. Plus, the portable one is much cheaper, only around $126. The 4-burner is about $370. Big price difference.
Yeah, price is a factor. But the 4-burner has a side burner, which is nice for sauces, and porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are supposed to be better for searing.
True, the portable one just has a porcelain-coated grate. But it's also easier to clean, and for a quick grill, it's perfect.
I guess it depends on what I need. Big cookouts? Definitely the 4-burner. Quick grilling on the go? The portable one seems like the better option.
Exactly. One is for the backyard, and the other is for adventures. Think about how often you'll use that side burner, and whether you want to deal with a huge grill. That should help you decide.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.